simple and easy recipe, subscribe to Abeda's Kitchen and click on the notification bell for regular updates. Hey everyone, welcome once again. I hope all is well with each one of you. Today I'm going to show you an instant mango pickle recipe. So without much delay, let's get started. For this we'll take 300 grams of raw mangoes cut into shapes like this, salt 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 2 teaspoon. We'll mix this well and keep it under sunlight for 1 hour. Now in a pan we will take 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of black mustard, 1 tablespoon of fennel, 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds and 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, 1 teaspoon of nigella seeds. We'll saute this on a low flame for a minute, and after that we'll remove it from the pan, cool it and grind it into a powder. Now in a pan we will take 1 cup of mustard oil. Heat the oil well until it's smoky. Once it's smoky, put the flame off and let the oil cool down a bit. Now we will add the masala that we had made earlier. And we will mix this well. And to this we'll add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Mix it well and saute it for a minute. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute this for a minute as well. Add salt to taste. Mix it well. Now we will add 150 ml of vinegar and 150 grams of jaggery. Mix this really well until the jaggery melts. Now the jaggery has melted. Now we will add the marinated mango pieces into it. When we marinate the mango like this, we can see that the water comes out. It leaves water. We will not add that water. We will only add the mango pieces in it. And we'll mix this well. Now we will cook it on low flame for around 20 to 25 minutes, stirring regularly so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. The color of the mango skin has changed and it looks soft now. So let's check. Yes, the mango is actually soft and pulpy, which means your pickle is ready. Now we'll put the flame off and let it cool completely, and we'll add whole green chilies. This is completely optional. If you don't want green chilies, you can skip this step. Mix it well and your instant mango pickle is ready to eat. You could also keep it under the sunlight for a few days. That will enhance the taste and its longevity, or you could just eat it right away. Do try the recipe and let me know in the comment section below, and if you like my recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell for regular updates, and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Do take care. See you again. Thank you.